This book is called Gemma and Gus by Oliver Dunry. To Danny, the bravest explorer I know. This is Gemma. This is Gus. Gemma is a small yellow gosling. She is the big sister. Gus is a smaller yellow gosling. He is the little brother. Gemma likes to explore new places. Gus follows. Gemma hunts for frogs in the cattails. Gus hunts too. Gemma looks for bunnies hiding in the oak tree. Gus looks too. Gemma hops onto the flower pot. Gus hops up too. Gemma climbs on top of Molly. Gus climbs up too. Don't keep following me, Gemma honks. Gus peeks underneath the hen. Gemma peeks too. Gus looks down from the flower pot. Gemma looks down too. Gus jumps into the pond. Gemma jumps too. Gus splashes in the pond. Gemma splashes too. Gus scoots to a large rock. What are you doing? Gemma honks. Exploring, honks Gus. This is Gemma. This is Gus. Gemma and Gus are two small goslings who like to explore together. The end. Thank you for listening in on this one.